Okay, we're looking at question 7 on our test review, and it says the newspaper staff surveyed 75 students to find what type of fruit they prefer. The data from the graph is shown below. So we have a graph, and we're looking at all these different types of fruit. And we haven't done much work with graphs, but hopefully in 6th grade you did. Whenever I see a graph, before I even start working, I like to go through and write the numbers that go with it. So for apples, I would write 5. For bananas, 3. Grapes, 2. Oranges, 4. Pears, 1. And strawberries, 4. So it says to the nearest whole percent, what percent preferred bananas? So it says use a proportion to help you. So I look at the number of students who prefer bananas, which is 3. And I need to put that over the total. Well, obviously, I'm just going to add all these numbers to find the total. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, 18, 19, which seems like a weird number. And then I want to know percent. Well, I know that percent is out of 100. So there's not a nice easy way to get from 19 to 100. So I'm going to go ahead and do cross products. 19x equals 300. And now I'm going to do algebra. 19 is being multiplied by x, but I'm trying to get x by itself. So I divide by 19. So 19 goes into 300 one time. 11. Bring down my 0. 19 goes into 110 5 times. And 19 times 5 is 95. And that's 15. And you might be thinking, well, what do I do with that 15? Because it says to the nearest whole percent, I would add a decimal and a 0 and figure out how many 19s go into 150. So I would do 150 divided by 19 is 7. And so because I have a 7 right here, that means this number would have to round up. So the nearest percent would be 16% of the students prefer bananas.